Alright, we're going to clean these up. So, fittings off. We got mineral spirits and some rags. There's still adhesive on the outside especially. So this isn't going to remove everything, but it's going to take the tack off, and hopefully it's also going to soak in and kill some of this mold that's all over here. I'm also going to make a plan to bleach and seal this probably, but for now we just want to make sure the tack is off and anything else that the spirits will wipe off of there. Mineral spirits are going to get the tack off of that old glue, and then I'm going to have to probably try to bleach this or something to get the mold out of there. But the mineral spirits will also help loosen any of the paper in here. Loosen the glue behind this paper too, so. So the inside of this was papered, and I think when I get to redoing it, I'm just going to paint the interior, because the paper here didn't really do a whole lot, and painting is going to be a lot easier to get in there than it is to paper inside there. There's the end we didn't do. Those rags are going to have to get dried out. Now the bottom of this is going to be fun because this is fiberboard, which means it's going to soak up literally everything. So when I go to redo this, I'm probably going to make sure that I put a solid coat of epoxy across the bottom and the inside here, because that's the only way that we'll even get close to making that bottom work again. But for now, I'm just going to and this wood on the side here is so dry, it's just sucking that. And watch it just evaporate and suck right in to this bottom case because it's so dry. Luckily, there wasn't much adhesive. Although this section here was glued, and a little bit of mineral spirits has softened this glue up. So. And that is apparently the end of my mineral spirits. So, exactly the right amount to wipe this all off. Alright, well, I'm going to let all that dry from cleaning it off with the mineral spirits, and yeah, I'm going to need some epoxy and probably a couple pieces of wood to help reinforce the base here, but we'll see. Definitely going to be coming back and epoxying a lot of this back together, I think, to reinforce these joints here are loose before we get ready to recover this, make it look pretty again. But that will be later, because I need to round up the amount of epoxy I think I'll need.